everyone, and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Katie with John Henry's, and today I'm here to talk to you about our beef briskets. If you're familiar with our farm, you know that our meats are leaner than most because our cows enjoy a happy and active life out on our farm. They spend their days outside in the sunshine eating the lush pastures. The way our cattle are raised presents itself in the flavor and the quality of our meats, which is something our loyal customers know and love. This cut has a lot of connective tissue that will break down during slow cooking, adding flavor and texture to this naturally tougher cut of meat. The whole brisket is made up of two parts. The flat is the larger, lean part of the muscle, whereas the point is the smaller, well-marbled portion. When purchasing a trimmed portion of the brisket, it may be important to specify which part you would like. Our whole untrimmed beef briskets have the fat cap on them and range from 7 to 14 pounds. Many grillers and master smokers prefer the whole untrimmed brisket because the untrimmed fat cap will slowly melt into the brisket, naturally basting the roast while it's cooking. On the contrary, the trimmed beef brisket has the fat cap completely removed and is ready for any recipe you choose. The trimmed flat portion of the brisket is what most often is used for corned beef. The trimmed briskets usually range from 2 to 4 pounds, but can be a little bit larger if needed. Brisket is best when grilled or smoked low and slow, or brined for several days and slow cooked like corned beef. It's important to not undercook brisket because of the collagen and connective tissue throughout it. It must reach a temperature in order to melt those flavorful fats. I hope that you enjoyed this video and thank you so much for supporting our farm. We're so glad that you found our channel. If you like what you see, please hit the subscribe button. And if you want to see more awesome recipes, click the video below.